What's up, everybody? Getting ready for a little live workout here. We'll see how it goes today. I'm hurting. Upper body is not feeling great. Good thing it's lower body emphasis today. So just kind of curious to see how you guys have been coping with working out at home. This has kind of become my sanctuary, and hopefully it doesn't have to be for too much longer, because I kind of miss working out with you guys in person. But this seems like it'd be the next best thing. You guys get to watch me sweat a little bit if you join in today. But hopefully Thor here doesn't get too much in the way, right?
Right.
So today we got a little lower body HIIT workout planned. We'll see how it goes. I'll give some modifications for some of the movements after we warm up if you need them. If I'm hurting bad during some of these, don't make too much fun of me. Oh, we got Jillian here, we got Rachel. So hope you guys are doing good today. Just not the same as working out in person, but we'll have to just make do today. So we'll see who joins in, and then we'll get going in a few minutes here.
Nobody.
You gonna get in my way?
I'll probably be right here.
Join me on the Rainbow Road. Yeah, everyone seems to be making fun of my rainbow matting that I have down here, but when you get it for free and it's, what, probably 25 years old, it still works, so it's better than the concrete. What else do we have here? So what have you guys been doing so far as far as your workouts go at home? Body weight? Hey, you guys have any equipment at all? You guys can leave comments. Wanted to see how the Facebook Live thing works today. If we get some good feedback from it, we'll keep using it. Otherwise, I'd like to maybe use Skype video chat or the Zoom app. That way I could also see you guys and what you're doing at the same time. So just throwing that out there for an option potentially. If it's a group of 10 or less, I mean that might be a good option, and I can see if someone needs modifications or somebody's struggling with something. At least you guys can see me struggle. I guess that's good for you, but not so good for me. So we'll just give it a minute or two here, and then we'll get warmed up and then get it rolling, and then people can join in as they come in. Has anybody got any questions for me before we get rolling here? Make a comment. Will doesn't want to have us see him huffing and puffing. Well, guess what? That's all me this time. So we'll probably go for about 30 minutes today. I'll do a warm-up. I'll take us through 3 different cluster rounds today. So a cluster is just a circuit of 4 exercises that we're gonna do. We'll do 3 rounds of that circuit, take a break, move on to the next cluster. And when we're done, I'm gonna have you guys join in with Matt, trainer Matt Labar. He's gonna take us through a little stretch for about 10 minutes to wrap up today. And we'll see how that goes. So, tell you one thing, I'm gonna need it. So let's get warmed up a little bit here. So we're just gonna start just with a little bit of lower body movement. So all I want you guys to do is just hook the knee, pull up, come down, work on a little bit of balance here. Jillian, I know this is one of your favorites. I know it's one of Dave's favorites. He has trouble with the balance, so I'm throwing him under the bus. Yep, just pull that knee up, hold. My wife's working out with us, but she doesn't want to be on the camera. Maybe Thor will come on though. He might trip me, so you guys will get a laugh out of that. Next one we're gonna do is just a little side lunge. So we're just gonna step to the side, the knee's gonna bend, we're just gonna reach down towards the floor, hold for about 2 seconds, then lean to the other side, same thing. going back and forth. Kimmy, you can be the comment reader since I don't have my glasses on.
I'm good.
Yeah, just shifting our weight back and forth.
Ooh,
Hope you guys have some music or something going in the background, otherwise you're just gonna hear me huffing and puffing, as Will would say. Go ahead, stand up straight, and we're just gonna take the right leg, swing back and forth. If you have something to hold on to, I recommend it. I have the vents up here.
You stole that from me.
Yeah, that's true. And let's switch legs. Yeah, you stay there, Thor. You don't want to get booted. All right, next one's a hip opener. We're just going to alternate on this one. Knee comes up. We open the hip up. Switching back and forth. I got my timer today too, so that should go pretty good. That way I won't be making up the times as we go. Sometimes I'll go longer than anticipated, so not today. Nice wide base. We're gonna point the toes out a little bit. Make sure you guys can see me here. And we're just gonna squat down, elbows come inside the knees. And we're just gonna shift our weight back and forth. And just hold that squat. And come on up. Next one we're gonna do, slight knee bend, reach down to the floor, walk the hands out, drop the hips down, walk the hands back towards the feet, and stand it up, and we'll go back down again. And one more time. And walking back. Thor, you're in the way, buddy. You're in the way. You got yogurt in your beard. All right. I hope you guys are ready to get rolling here. First thing we're going to do is we're going to run in place. So running in place. Come on, buddy, out of the way. You got a couple options. So regression is march in place. Any knee, ankle, joint issues, you don't want impact, then you're just gonna march instead of doing the impact. So I'll try to give non-impact alternatives for most of the movements today. Otherwise, let's have at her. Our clusters, it's gonna be 25 seconds on today, 20 seconds rest. We'll go through 4 movements and we'll rest for about a minute and then we'll go through it again. You ready for this, buddy?
Yep.
I don't know if I am, so I hope you guys are. So let's get going on that first one. Knees up. Remember, if you don't want the impact, you are marching. I might not want the impact. Five seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, and recover. I'm tapping out. I'll see you guys next time. Oh. Next movement, while we recover here, we are going to do our squat jacks. That is low and wide, up and narrow. Oh. And Thor wants to hit me right in the throat.
Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy.
Thor, look out, buddy. This is a live feed. You want to reach up, you can. I cannot in the basement without hitting my hands on the ceiling. So you just come up. Thor, look out.
Over here, buddy.
3, 2, 1. Nice job, you guys.
You got not him enough, buddy.
Floor pulses. We're going to set up on all fours. Knees come up off the ground. And we're just going to go back and forth. Everything's moving up and down.
If the pulses hurt, can you
If it gets tough, you just go down on the knees and just pulse with the upper body. Here we go. This is a Chris Hemsworth favorite. I'm no Chris Hemsworth. I don't know about you guys.
Well, you just don't have hair.
Yeah, I know I'm not as good looking.
I never said
Keep
that.
pulsing. Yep, good times. And recover, nice job. Next one, you guys are gonna lie down on your back. We're gonna alternate on single leg bridges. So knees are bent, we're on the heels.
Okay, what are we doing?
One leg comes up, we push up, and we switch. Just drive those hips up. Straight up in the air. Well, I'm glad we didn't do 40-second rounds today. Almost there, 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, and recover. That's the first cluster. Good times, right? So we'll recover. We're gonna go through the same thing again. I think I'm doing okay. How about you?
Yeah.
How about you guys? Back to running in place. Let's
Come
go.
on, Thor.
Or marching. You guys like to watch me march, right? Feels like you're running at an incredible rate. That was from Dumb and Dumber, in case anyone was wondering.
Or was.
And recover. Good job, you guys. Squat jacks are next. Get ready.
Or don't jack that in the balls this time.
Yeah, right? No, it's the throat. It's the throat. It was worse. It was worse. Here we go. If you don't want the impact on these squat jacks, step, squat, come back in. You can alternate directions. Otherwise, we're hopping back and forth. We're right into it. And if you want to reach up high, go ahead if you have the room. I do not. Recover. Good job, you guys.
Could be.
Oh, I get the fan, huh?
I know, right? It's warm down here.
Pulses on all fours.
Can I see the other side of it?
So again, the knees are going to come up. Hands below the shoulders.
Come on, buddy.
And we're pulsing. This is tough. Drop the knees down. Just pulse with the upper body. Modified push-up. You want to be really cool, I'm sure Will do this. Thrust up. Wow, that's a long time. Good job, everybody.
Oh, my quads hurt.
Everybody's on their back again. Single leg bridges.
What are you on?
The pulses are brutal. All right, we're on the heels. Knees bent. Up with one, down, switch. Thor, how come you're not hurting me? I'm surprised. Oh, heads up, buddy, heads up.
Come here, buddy.
5 seconds to go. Good job, Thor, screening the workout. All right, recover. We'll go through it for a third time. Up and at 'em. Running in place again or marching, your choice. Let's go. What's up, buddy? Knees up, arms moving. We're marching. This is just me recovering. What, you don't want to be on the camera?
Nope.
Nope. Nope.
You only got so much room down here.
Yeah. See, I like cutting my face out.
I know.
Time.
You're
Good
too
job.
tall.
Squat jacks are next. Hope you guys are doing good here.
No.
Here we go.
Okay.
squat jacks or your modification. Step, step in, step over, squat. Otherwise you're doing squat jacks if you don't mind the impact. It's humid down here.
It is.
It's sweating.
You're always sweating.
Yeah, that's true.
But I'm sweating. That means it's humid.
3, 2, 1. Awesome job. Oh, time for my favorite. The pulses on all fours.
Feel free to grab water.
Absolutely, get water if you need it. I'm too focused on Chris Hemsworth right now. Take him down, just give me I have a Thor wig. All right, here we go. Pulsing. Yeah, I'm not pulsing. I was dying on this when you had to do ballistic pulses where you're flying up.
Well, thank you.
And they were 40 seconds long. Almost there, you guys.
Oh, my quads are
All right. Whew, shoulders there. Shoulders and hip flexors. Set up for those single leg bridges again.
Thor. You still...
Oh, he's got your sweatshirt.
Sure does.
It's a thief.
You jerk.
Thor's a thief. We should have called you Loki. All right, single leg bridges, alternating again. Sorry, buddy. Yeah, we're okay. We're okay. You guys might get a blooper reel out of this. Thor might jump on me, tag me down low. Hey! What are you doing? We're trying to work out here. Good job, you guys. Recover for 1 minute. Thor! Seriously, buddy. I'm gonna gather my thoughts for the next 48 seconds.
We got another 40.
Entertain this guy. Yeah, then we gotta go through the next cluster, which I gotta go over that, so.
Oh, man.
You gotta let me up, buddy.
We're not done.
No, that was just the first round. Thor, stop! Kim, control your dog.
You're done.
Next circuit I'll go over real quick here. We have step back into high knee.
Hi, buddy.
We'll do one set on the right, then we'll do a set on the left. We've got some bear crawl forward and back.
Oh, no.
The bear crawl's hard on the shoulders and knees and hips. I'll just have you hold a plank during that. Okay, what do we got for our last one here? Side shuffle or side gorilla.
Which is...
That's just gonna be stay low, step over, step in. Step over, step in. If you wanna throw in a little turn, little pivot, back and forth, so get ready. We should go into some bonus recovery time, I think.
I'm done.
Well, you're gonna have to get out of the way then.
I know.
All right, get ready for the next cluster, you guys.
All right, what are we doing?
So the first one we're gonna do, we're gonna go step back, knee up. If you wanna jump, you can. Don't have to go real low into a step back lunge on this one. We don't have to come all the way down here. We just wanna do a little step back, and we're just gonna repeat on the same side. We'll rest, then we'll do the other side. Get ready. Let's start with that right leg back. Here we go, right leg back, right knee up. Maybe I don't want to jump.
I don't.
Maybe my knees are feeling it. Try to move the arms, opposite arm meets the opposite knee. You want to go really fast? If you think I'm dogging it, not going hard enough for you, go ahead and recover. So the next set, we'll go right leg forward, left leg back. It's our 10-second warning. Went with the boxing rounds today.
Dang.
All right, left leg back.
I'm not coordinating with my left.
Yeah, me neither. That's why I'm not jumping. Again, if you want to jump, go ahead. If you want to go faster, that'll also make it harder. Do what's best for you. We're not trying to get any unnecessary impact on those joints. Some of my younger trainers will figure that out down the road. Oh, they're all in their 20s. I'm almost 40, and I know you guys are gonna say, oh, big deal. Bear crawl. So, all you're gonna do, doesn't matter if you go forward or backwards first, opposite arm and leg, go a few steps forward and backwards. So I'm going back, trying to stay squared up to the floor, just forward and back. You wanna go 5 yards or further and you have the real estate, go ahead. 10 seconds. If that bear crawl's hurting the wrists, knees, hips, just go down and hold the plank next time through. Here comes the sweat. We got that shuffle from that low squat position. So on this one, I'll just demonstrate here. Turn and step, turn and step. Let's go right into it here. Staying low hurts. I use my legs as walking canes. 3, 2, and recover. Awesome job, you guys. Get some water. And we're back on the step back train. Step back with the right. Knee comes up. If you want to jump, it's opposite arm and leg meeting up at the top. Left arm meets right knee. My wife bailed on me, so did Thor. I knew it. Almost there. And recover, and we'll switch sides. Oh yeah. This basement's become my home within my home. Down on the Rainbow Road. Ready? All right, right leg forward, left is back. Left knee meets the right arm. Again, if you don't want to jump, just step back, bring the knee up. I don't know about you guys, I can't wait for the stretching already. Matt's gonna jump in with a live feed and bail me out, but not yet. Rest, you guys. Oh yeah, bear crawl forward and back.
I need a water refill.
That bear crawl doesn't feel good, just go down into a plank and hold. Or go on all fours and just hold here. Here we go. Opposite arm and leg. Thor, go under the bridge. Here's the sweat. Don't worry, I got a steam cleaner for this mat. We gotta be hygienic here, right?
Sometimes.
All right, recover. Good job. Woo!
I know,
You
man.
bet.
I'm sweating, buddy.
Side shuffle or side gorilla, whatever we want to call it today. Squat down, turn the foot out, step, turn the foot out, step. Here we go, let's go. This is the extent of my dance moves right here. And incorporate a little neck.
Sadly, I can't argue with him.
Yeah, thanks.
You're welcome.
Again, using my walking canes here, my legs. Always paranoid I'm gonna hit my head down here. Nice job. Woo, we got one more time through that cluster. Oh man, time already? It's a 10-second warning. Hope you guys are still around, still doing good. All right, left leg forward, right leg back. Bring that knee up. I really gotta get something to hold my phone, not the support beam for my home. Again, if you want to throw in that jump, go ahead. Not gonna stop you. Or you can just tell me you did it the hardest way anyway. I'm not gonna know. All right. Right leg's gonna be forward, left leg back. Doing the other side. Woo. Here we go, right leg forward, and bring it up. Don't worry, there's a few today that require some coordination where I'll probably mess them up and you guys can laugh. We can all use a good laugh right now, right? Right?
Yup.
Yup.
Don't worry, I'm falling in the background.
You're off camera though.
I know.
Recover. Or as Dave Grumman likes to say, the rest exercise. Oh, good old bear crawl. Remember, if you don't like this one, doesn't feel good on the joints, just hold a plank or hold in this position here. Forward and back. Woo!
I'm just playing, babe.
Hey, that's good. Do what you gotta do. Whew. And we got the side gorillas to finish up the cluster. Then we got one last cluster after that. This is a cluster bleep. Bleep. All right, side gorilla, down, foot turns out, step in. Foot turns out, step in. I guess I can work harder, go a little lower. Almost there, you guys. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, and 1. 2-minute recovery before our last cluster. Well, I went to send out our newsletter today that Katie made. Did a really good job. The attachment didn't load, so I sent nothing to over 600 people, so that was awesome. I sent it out again, so hopefully everybody gets it, but... Hello, McFly. Anybody home? Oh, good stuff. Still got about 90 seconds before we go through this last cluster. One more minute. Everybody doing good? Any comments, any words of wisdom? I wonder what Chris Hemsworth would say. Like, bro, you gotta work on your crawling patterns, man.
Say we suck.
You know, we try to lift a hammer and it wouldn't move, right?
We'll get your camera.
We're not worthy. We're not worthy. 30 seconds, and we have the last cluster. 4 exercises in the cluster. As the sweat just pours. It's like me waiting for a free throw. Coach, I need a break. I can't wait to play hoops again, whenever that's gonna be. I'm going crazy. My release, my outlet.
But my house is clean.
First one we're gonna do is gonna be a side lunge. I want you to reach, shuffle over, go the other way. So you're just gonna see me fly back and forth on this first one. So again, if you don't want the impact, you just step and reach. Step in, step the other way, and reach. Take that impact part away. All right, let's go. First time through here. Lunge, reach, or throwing a little hop, a little shuffle in between. You don't have to hit the floor. You can reach towards the knee. Especially if you have any issues in the lower back. Shorten up that movement a little bit.
Are we doing it right?
Yeah, you're good. You actually got this one down. I kind of look like a goofball.
Your nose
I'm a
pretty.
goof. Recover.
I can't help it. Your nose pretty as me.
Hey now. Oh, here we go again. All fours are quadruped position. Your modification, keep the knees down. Opposite elbow or foot goes to the knee,
Okay.
just back and forth. Or you're up on all fours. Twist the hips, opposite knee towards the elbow. Here's where the sweat starts raining down.
Kind of like long climbers, just opposite sides.
Yep. Without the impact. And recover, good job. That's a sit through reach. Suppose it helps if I give you the name. Next one, we're on all fours doing a bird dog. That's gonna be opposite arm and leg. Then we crunch, down, switch, crunch, extend out.
Wait, how?
Go ahead, so left arm, right leg, elbow to knee, down, switch it. Opposite arm and leg. Extend at the hip. I'm just watching how bad I'm sweating. It's throwing me off. And recover.
I'm no good at that one.
That's our rest exercise. This is the one I mess up. Here we go. It is a squat, lower body, upper body, go the opposite way. So if I hop and turn left, my torso is going right, and then vice versa. So squat, twist, squat, twist. If you get really good, Hemsworth, he's like all over the place. Do the same side twice in a row. Better even it out. Or just squat and come up and throw some rotation in. Yeah, I always mess that one up. Recover. Nice job, you guys. You don't have to whisper. You're not going to offend anybody. Back to that side lunge with the reach, throwing in that shuffle step. So we step and reach on the first one and shuffle.
I'm good at this one.
Again, remember, if you don't want the impact, side lunge, reach. Step, side lunge, reach. Opposite arm reaches down towards the foot, the knee. No swearing.
Sorry.
No swearing.
There's no crying in baseball.
Oh, recover, guys. Good job.
My knee popped.
That's where you take the impact away. All right, we're on all fours again. This is that sit through reach where the right knee will go towards the left elbow. And we switch, a little hip turn, or you stay on all fours and just move across. That's how I get out of 5 seconds of doing the harder one. Showing the regressions or the progressions.
I'm sliding. You clean a sport, you get them sliding.
Oh, getting yelled at for cleaning the basement. Nice work.
Only because I'm sliding.
We're getting there. We're getting there. This is the bird dog on all fours again. Extending at the hip, reaching out, opposite arm and leg. Crunch, down, switch it. Crunch, down. Oh, this feels great compared to the last one.
Not on my knees, it doesn't.
Go on the mat.
There's no room.
Oh, did 2-0 there. Can't talk and explain at the same time. Handicap.
I still love you.
What? There? Is that it? Yeah. Good, nice work. Squat with a twist. Or the switch. They call it the switch. Again, if you don't want the impact, just squat and give me a little rotation. Back and forth. That's it if you don't want the impact. Once we squat, pop and twist. Oh, see, I did it wrong. Oxygen not getting to the brain. See, I did like 2 in a row on the same side. Nice job. One more time through that cluster. Then we're gonna transition over to Matt for a live stretching feed, and I will see you there. It'll be good. Isn't that right, Matt, if you're watching? All right, let's get to it. Side lunge, reach, shuffle. Little shuffle step. Don't hop. Step. Take the impact away.
I'm stubborn.
I'm like giving the modifications, and my wife isn't listening.
I'm stubborn.
And she says her knee hurts. What's up with that?
I did a run already today.
And that doesn't answer the question. Unbelievable. Oh. Stay hydrated. Back to all fours. This is the step through with the hip rotation. Here we go. Step it through. Back and forth. I'll get out of the way so I don't sweat on you. Twist those hips, knee comes through. Opposite knee to arm. Man, I was doing this for 40 seconds. That was crazy. Oh, you bet. Oh. Bird dog next. Might have to steam clean again.
Yeah. Okay.
Let's start with left arm and right leg. Extend, crunch, extend, down. Switch it as I kick the bench. Real estate. Poor planning. See, there it is again. You're taking up my real estate.
I am. My knees hurt.
And recover. 1 to go and we're done. Squat with a switch. That Hemsworth guy, he must be a surfer. Watch out for that pole.
Shut up.
That was a shoulder block. Here we go, guys. Let's finish strong here.
Nope.
All right, squat, twist, squat, twist, squat, twist. Hemsworth speed.
Oh, my legs are so tired.
Oh, done. Done. I bailed 3 seconds early.
I'm toast.
Awesome job, everybody.
Yeah, that's yours.
Yeah, of course it is.
Promise.
No discrepancies. Well, thanks for joining, you guys, whoever worked out today. As you can tell, I'm pretty tired. Old guy problems, right? So, jump over to trainer Matt Labar's feed. Some live stretching. I know I'm gonna need it. And we will chat later. Great job, everybody. Stay healthy.